Oh, G'day buddy, I'm at Matangi station here in Alexandra. And this little grade 3 is Lawnmower. Amazing landscape in this place. The cruise up was just phenomenal. As you can see, there's not a hell lot of shade, so it was pretty fucking hot. But cool nonetheless. Now we get to... Oh, that's about a wrong turn. Oh yeah. Not sure why it's called Lawnmower, because there ain't much lawn around this joint to mow. Oh, that's tight. Bush. Ooh. Looks like it probably doesn't get ridden a hell of a lot either. My word. That's quite narrow. Whee! Maybe that's why it's Lawnmower. A beautiful open air country around here. That is awesome. Whoop. Probably should have worn my gloves maybe. And a little bit of a grovel. Well, it's not really a grovel.